Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, una sister, una friend dey talk. Dey shine your eye integration for YouTube. And dey talk so this evening the topic wey I get, wey I wan touch about na this word wey most Nigerian men dey always dey use all the time, because you know say if one thing reach our hand, we go turn the thing into another thing. So you know say I fit talk say this channel na for women to talk about things wey dey affect us, because a lot of things wey be say our mama no know that time, they no teach us. We just wake up, start to live one kind. They take everything normal. They feel pain. They go through pain. They go through stress. We just take as normal. Of which say a lot of people they benefit from our stress, our pain. Okay, who they benefit all these things are the men. So now here we want for the expose some of the behavior and some sign where women need to watch out for before they run into all this angry men life. Okay, me you not gonna be like person wey go break mail or go waste your time. So that is why I bring this topic today. Say make we talk about them. Which topic? Now this one wey most Nigerian men, most African men, most men they talk all the time. Say no relationship is perfect. Okay, many people when they use this language of no relationship is perfect, una don already look these men when they talk this word all the time. Una don sit down, cross check their life, look their past relationship when they first date before, look the one where they date with you now, if any changes there. Una don sit down, look and analyze and say these people life safe, how he be. This man where they see say no relationship is perfect. This woman where they say all the time no relationship is perfect. If you want enter any relationship, you say no relationship is perfect. You know why they talk and say no relationship is perfect? Because he already ready for a life. How he will take use wahala to rub you up and down. That is why you dey hear that phrase for some of all these men. Say no relationship is perfect. If you look all these men where they say no relationship is perfect, so many of them now their hand that they cause that imperfection when that relationship. Now their hand that they cause that problem every day. They find problem when they want bring come. They find wahala when they want give you as a woman, because they don't they used to that thing for their head. Say if as we say no relationship is perfect, they have to be a problem every day. That is what most of you women wanna not understand for this type of men, because many of them don't get them for head. Say all men are the same, as many of them they talk. All of them are the same, my dear. All men not be the same. The category of these men when they say no relationship is perfect, so many of them they don't want to work, they don't want to repair their life. All their blame now women that they blame for everything we do happen to them for their life. If they don't feel find work on a woman, if they don't feel stand with their two legs now woman, if they don't feel take responsibility for their life now woman, everything when they are put to them right from their mama that they blame. If they don't finish to blame their mama, they will enter the woman when they follow, and they will enter their mama, start to blame their mama, say now their mama causes one for their life, now their mama not make them stand. All these men when they see no relationship is perfect, so they are all potential complainer. They are always complaining. If you by mistake you go fall into a relationship with this man, whether not a relationship or whether not marriage, or because they can say no marriage is perfect. Oyibo create that language. They not say make una they walk towards that language. Because I notice say once something reach our African men and our Nigerian men especially, and they will use the thing turn into negativity. They will really work towards the language, like even those with problem and they go define where problem they might take one inside. I don't notice them all these years. I don't read this our behavior of when we not define peace for relationship, for marriage, for friendship. We always look for something to strangle. If na friend we dey make with that person, we always look for one drama. If na marriage we dey with that woman, that man always try to look for problem because he don't get am for him mind say no relationship is perfect. There have to be problem, and na me go dey bring the problem. While you as a woman, you go dey bear those problems. Those one are the tactics when most of these men they use. When be say no women, many women they don't know. They do mumu, they suffer. This man go bring one problem, she go suffer. This woman go bring another problem, he go suffer. They go say now woman they repair house. Another language again when they use. You don't see where person for stand, you go repair something, another person go come the destroyer. That one are waiting most of una Nigerian men waiting una they do. Most African men waiting they do. Most men will get this mentality of now woman they repair house, now woman get house. Waiting they always they do be say as that woman they repair the house where they carry give her so. The mumu they repair her for years, the man will take everything to scatter. So that is why if you see man when get this mentality of now woman they scatter the builders, wanna go look history. Most of them they be baby daddies. Most of them they be complaining. If you sit down, take a look at their life. Nothing there, oh my sister. If you want to enter that type of relationship, be very, very careful. Look away. Those men, they are problematic. You will never have peace if you stay with them. Because they don't make up their mind, say, all relationship is not perfect. Now, we are going to put problem in this relationship between both of them. They don't make up their mind, say, now you go build this on and me go this scatter. So you me na my own na to the scatter why you they build. As you they go to solve one problem, they go to bring another one. As you go to solve another problem, you go to bring another one. Now so the mama. Now that is why they have that mentality for their head. Say now woman they build house. If you see men when they talk that thing, go check them out. They are all problematic men. They don't have peace in their home. They're always looking for problems. They be drama king. That is why women, you have to watch out. There are good men outside. You just have to be with experience, not to fall into the hands of these dusty and broken men. When they use this language, say, now woman they build us, now woman they do this, now woman they do that. All the responsibility of all the life, it will shift and give you. You will struggle until you will carry BP for them, until you will get wahala from her. Because it already make up your mind. You will never be happy with that type of man when they use these two language. Now woman they build us. Meanwhile, you go say na you be the head, and you will see say all the time when you go take there with them, you know go bring one solution come for anything apart from problem all the time. You know go bring nothing apart from problems. Now you would follow and they solve because that's language when they use when get for a brain, when it's talk for a brain. Say na woman they build house. Say na no marriage is perfect, no relationship is perfect. He have to cause that imperfection for you. Now you go there inside the struggle to make them perfect. He don already enter with that toxic brain, say toxic thinking, say this relationship e no fit perfect. This type of men, so if relationship no fit perfect, if they wear shoe, why they no dey wear right and left? They dey sabi dey repair their shoe for their leg. That is why you have to know that they have a problems. They have big problems, this type of men. Why they no dey wear back of shirt when they dey turn am? They will never ever make that relationship right if you dey with them. You will have problems with them. They will not like to pay their bills. They will not like to take care of their children. They will not like to do anything because they don't already get up for their head. Say, now your responsibility. You get to build them. You get to feed them. You get to do everything for them. As a woman, you have to shine your eye. You have to shine your eye openly for this type of men, my dear. All men not be like this. As they talk and say, all men are the same. No, all men not be like this, my darling sister. It not be like this. Everybody different. It depends on what you want and how you to get patient for your life. That is how you know what they put for all these men when they use this dirty language of no marriage, no relationship is perfect. They take advantage of that language. That is why when you deal with them, go think right from day one. They will never make you happy. If you dey smile self, they will ask you, so what did they make you dey smile? Who tell you say woman dey smile? That one I be the trick. When many of them they enter all these women life, you have to shine your eye open. Na 2019 we dey, so I don't want make una dey feel pain. I don't want make una dey get some kind problem we no suppose. Problem when you will forfeit of a drop for ground waka your own. You gonna get them because you no quick take precaution on the behavior. You no quick take precaution for things where you supposed to take precaution for. You just leave them like that gidigba. The thing come big, come get as it be. You will consider you would think. If you don't born for this type of man, na problem because you don't get anything to offer to your life. If you desire this type of relationship, go sit down and evaluate them. Think step by step. They look step by step. What did this person do hard for my life? What did he do for my life? If you see all of them are problem. Gimme. Only way till get na prick. This type of me. Now that they are cassava that they carry we go. Cassava. Now they get to offer you. If the king come out now, you will take off and when timely because those type of mind they're not ready to deal with one woman. Today they will deal with Vivian. Tomorrow they will deal with Joy. Next tomorrow they will deal with Noelle. That is why you have to shine your eye. That is why I open this my channel. Make way for the rub mind. Make way for the talk. Because a lot of things we our mother not teach us. That one was now their time that time. They do and say, okay, now where we they nourish. But every day now we they grow, we don't understand a lot of things. We they see this different behavior from this new generation men. Before a man had to provide, protect, and take care of a family, whether good or bad. But now things don't change. That is why, ladies, the game get to change too. Game get to change. All this tolerating, pretending, you no go fit, my dear sister. I've been there. You no go fit. The more you ready to tolerate, the more pain you will be inside. The more unhappiness you will have, and the more unhealthy children you will train. Your children will still continue with the generational dysfunction behavior. That is why you have to think twice. That is why when you enter this relationship, as the man they talk to you, would just not open your mouth and they talk. They listen to what they come out for a mouth. If you want no man, they listen to everything when they come out for a mouth. If you see say yeah, what my sister wrong, no enter. Many your own day inside. The problem is say most of us will not wait for our time. At times it will remain small to get that our man where we wait for years. Because of impatience, we will go jump enter one man life. We will go jump enter where we for come dey feel pain because we not get patient enough. Because we don't know what we need to do to get to the level of man where we want. We would teach them for a year for this YouTube channel. A lot of things what we need to do as a woman. I not come here come favor any man because the society don't already favor them already. A lot of things already favor them. So we have to package ourselves, level ourselves together. Level ourselves together. I go say they do life. We interact. Anybody will like the channel. A lot of content go there. What they talk about. We need to learn a lot of things. We need to level up because as the game they change, a lot of things need to change for the women's side. If not, we would lag behind. People will take advantage of us. When we will complain, come and say we bitter. You don't sue the beat way, you no go bitter. So, what be the whole thing be say? We need to change a lot of things. I beg. If you see man when they use this language 2016, wait till I talk so, go look at. You will say, you know they like to work. Even though you work, you know they provide for your children. You know they provide for your wife. Now staging man. Now man when they blame women every minute. Now man when they bring happiness on us. Now drama king. Now problem be work. That is why you have to shine your eye. My beautiful sisters, you know what all this wahala where our mama go through. You deserve the best marriage. You deserve happiness mutually from the both sides. No be say you go the build, ma go come the scatter. Now that one they see for a long time now. We make me open this channel. I notice a lot of women that they go through pain. They believe in a normal, they have to feel pain for marriage. No. If you deal with man will love you, man will know himself, it not go give you pain. It not go give you pain because he know what a woman signify. It not go give you pain and love. He go give you, no go make you hurt. He no go want to see your tears, whether physical or you dey feel pain inside. But you deal with men wey be say they don't make up their mind to be devilish because they not train them away from home. Their mama make mistake with them. That mistake now they want to use and take bash you all your body, deal with you now. You have to wake up. If they say one woman throw away them like bad business, another one throw away them like bad business, you go see they will go sit down by themselves. Not be say they will come change with you because they no go change. As far as you they feed them, they clothe them, they give them free babies, free house, they no go change. You will end up be a loser. So I don't want to make this video too long. Tomorrow we will still drop another video. We will drop and small. This channel now for women to talk about women which they affect us. I know they fear if any man come here, come put talk, come put comment, make it be respectful comment. If na comment will not make sense, I will delete them. I will delete them. Not be all comment when you go put a day offensive go show for YouTube. If na good comment, positive comment, you really love your mother as a man, you love your sister as a man, you want me to update, your comment go show. If you be among all this category of these men, broke men, dusty men, you put the here comment, I will delete them. That's so it just be. We need to advance. We need to wake up. Enough of the pain. Enough of the stress. When women they go through, we not deserve them. So that's why I say I wish we will talk tomorrow, my beautiful sisters. I love you all. And the Shine Your Eye Integration YouTube channel. Here we talk about everything about women, okay? Bye bye. Love you all. May you subscribe to this YouTube channel.